Hi, my name is Matt Williams. I'm a loan officer here at Total Mortgage Newport. I've been a loan officer at this company since February of 2018, and I've been in the industry since June of 2013. In my free time, I like to travel, and I also play on a local baseball team where I'm a pitcher and an infielder. I bought my first multifamily house in 2017, and I'm always looking at the next opportunity to invest. I graduated from the University of Rhode Island. My best friend was a loan officer at another mortgage company. He told me that it'd be a great career for me. And I realized that there was a lot of good people in this industry. I could help a lot of people, I could be successful, and 6 years later, I'm still doing it. So obviously, I enjoy the work. My favorite part of the job is definitely helping first-time homebuyers. Seeing the excitement from a first-time homebuyer, people who've been paying rent for a long time, that thought that homeownership was impossible for them. Getting to sit down with them, getting to know them, and then ultimately helping them get into their first house, that's truly a special feeling. Last month I had a day where I had 2 closings, and it was a special day for me because one of the clients was my best friend since 6th grade and his fiance, and the other client was my cousin, his wife, and my goddaughter Lorelei. And just knowing that, 15 years ago, we were playing Little League Baseball together, and now I'm helping them and their families get into their first home, that was a special feeling. There are a lot of loan officers in the area, but what truly sets me apart is that I truly care about and stay in touch with all of my past clients. It's not looked at as a one-time transaction. I still stay in touch with a lot of buyers that are looking for referrals, especially if they're new to the area, whether they need their house painted or whether they have a plumbing issue and it's a holiday. I have contacts that I know I can share with them that will always answer the phone, they'll always answer a text, and if not, I'll get on it and I'll make it happen for them. Once again, I'm Matt Williams with Total Mortgage. Give me a call, 401-837-4078. I look forward to helping you.